Ito pala guys yung nabukong hotel sa Agoda. So may malaking bed, single sofa, and may table. Dito naman sa toilet is may mirror, hair dryer, kompleto din yung vanity kit nila, shower heater, bidet, and towel. Nabook ko siya ng 5 days for only 5,600 pesos. Ganda din dito guys, may full body mirror, may malaking TV, may kettle, free water, at kung mahilig kayong magkape is meron na siyang free coffee and tea. So dito naman sa baba is meron na siyang maliit na refrigerator. So may cabinet, and meron na ding safety deposit box. Pwede nyong ilagay yung mga importanteng documents nyo. For me, okay na to sa price guys kasi may kasama na siyang free breakfast buffet. At ang importante is malapit sa lahat, tahimik at malinis. Ito naman guys yung restaurant nila located sa Skydeck sa 12th floor with panoramic park view. Yung breakfast buffet nila guys is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So madami din silang choices ng food at ang sasarap din. So habang nagbe-breakfast kayo, so ito yung view nyo sa labas. So ang ganda ng view dito guys. Now check naman natin yung lobby nila guys. So ito yung itsura ng lobby nila, may 3 elevator, malawak, and very elegant yung design. So, very convenient yung location neto guys. So paglabas nyo is meron na siyang 7-Eleven, meron na ding McDo, and yung harap neto guys is park. So pag naboboring kayo, pwede kayong mag-jogging or mag-walking. Ilios Hotel is located sa District 1, Ho Chi Minh. So walking distance lang to guys sa Benton Market. 10 to 15 minutes by walking. Thank you for watching. Bye!